Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to check the Samsung error code E154. Okay, actually it is a E154. First of all, I want you to download the app on your Samsung mobile, as you can see on my right screen here. So it is a you go to your app store and download. Here you can see is the I show you on the screen. Here you can see is the Samsung. It's called AC support. So you go into the Play Store and search for. So now you go to the Play Store and search for AC support, and then you will find this application and you just download it. Okay, now we get back to the application. So when you first open it, it will go to the home page like this, and then you just go to repair, and then go to error code number, and you will see a lot of error code, and you go to find, and you go to find the E154. Actually, as I said in the beginning, is the E154, but on your actual air conditioner it will show E1 and then 54. Okay, just click on the E154, and then it will show you what is the problem of your air conditioner. Actually, this one is the indoor unit fan motor error, and I show you on the slide. Here is your problem. It's a E1 and then it's show a 54. And for the indoor unit fan motor, it's a fan motor. It will look like all the display here. You can search on the Google. It will show all the fan motor here. And then on your actual air conditioner, it will be like this one. And then you need to check the fan motor, is any cable unplugged or any problem on your fan motor. And this is the breakdown part by part of your air conditioner. So the fan motor will be here, and then it will connect to propeller. So all the thing you need to check is only the fan motor here. If you cannot repair it, you need to change the fan motor and the problem will solve. Okay, I think that's all for today video of the Samsung error code E154. And thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.